and welcome back to my channel. So today we're just doing an unboxing, well, unbagging, because clearly this is a bag and not a box, but you get where we're going. So I have been wanting this bag for a little minute, and if y'all remember, like back in 2005, 2006, in that range, maybe like from 2003 to 2009, Coach was it. Like, Coach was really it. If you didn't have Coach in high school, then you wasn't that girl, you know? So I had been looking at this bag for a little minute, and I really wasn't sure if I was gonna get it or not. It's really cute, and I'm definitely into mini bags, but I just wasn't sure about it. But the more I looked at it, the more I thought about it, the more I saw it, I was like, okay, well, let me just get this bag. So let's just get into what I got. And I love the cute little dust bag that it comes in. And as you can see, it's definitely a mini bag. So I got the Pillow Tabby shoulder bag, and this color is ivory. It's such a cute bag, y'all, and there are two different sizes. This is the smaller of the size, but I definitely liked the small version of it. Again, I am a mini bag type of girl. I haven't taken none of the plastic off just because I haven't worn it yet. It comes with a strap that you can, of course, put on the sides like this to carry it as a crossbody. I don't know if I'm even gonna put the strap on there. Yeah, that's to be determined, because I think I'm just gonna wear the bag kind of like this, just kind of as like a top handle bag, just because this is the vibe that I was going for. Now this button is real secure, y'all. Like, y'all see how long it took me to open that? But it comes with like little compartments. You put the cards or whatever there. So of course it's definitely not a big bag, and the pillow part definitely takes up most of the bag, but I love this design of the bag. It's very classic and very clean. I'm not really a fan of the low, like, signature C's all over bag. Like, this is definitely a simple bag that you can pair with pretty much anything. The only thing is, it is ivory, so it may get a little dirty, but it's okay. But I've also been looking at this bag, and there's a silver color, there is a blue color, and the blue color comes with a chain. So the chain isn't like this strap right here, it's like an actual chain. If I can find a picture of it, I will like put it in the video so that y'all can see. But yes, definitely love this bag. I love all the hardware on this bag as well. Like, Coach is trying to make a comeback, and I'm okay with it. But if any of you guys have this bag, let me know how you feel about it. If you have this color, let me know how this does as far as like pairing with jeans, because I feel like this type of bag on a brand new pair of jeans is a no. So let me know what you guys think about this bag, or if you have any of the other colors, let me know how you feel about those as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.